there we have my monopod I built from different parts, so I got more complete, so I can use it like a crane if I want. So I started with the monopod. It was from eBay. It was like 20 parts I bought, so here we have it. So the holder for the Osmo Pocket connected there, and the last thing I did now was, if I need better sound, I put my H1 here. You probably have this one if you bought some of the sets, so I just put it on. So if you need better sound, use that one. And to connect the phone, I had another monopod, selfie monopod. So I took this part away, and then I have this bicycle part. I think you have two, and put them together there. So I got my phone, and right now I don't have the Wi-Fi, so I use the USB-C cable from Osmo to the phone. So now I'm going to do some shots with it and show the potential of doing like some shots that could be done with a very expensive crane. So yeah, let's try that one. We can do a little crane shot here. Can be a video. And now doing one crane shot here. Going to be like this. Can do it kind of high here. There. Now I'm going to the tree here. So I'm just taking this camera, moving it here so we can see like that. And then it's like this. You could do like start up in the tree. I don't know how the focus is going to be, but we're coming down. We're going past the tree. And we can do it like this. Go up here, past this one. We can go a little crane shot here. We can do a shot like this. We can go over here like this. We can shot. Do like that, and we could do red bucket here. We can go through it, then up. We can go past the GoPro, and then we're moving here. This can be shot like this. Now there. If we go like this, but we can start here, then it goes like this. Then I can go through here, but the only thing right now, I can't go fully through because I have the phone connected. But if I take away the phone, then I can slide everything through there. Sand shot, I don't know if that is giving us anything more than headache. So yes, so that's a little crane work. Like, you can start there, then you could go, someone was sitting on this horse, you could go down there, film him, go around, see when he takes up his gun and he wants to be a cowboy or something. Then you can see him riding away right up to the sky. Because with Osmo Pocket there is no limit. Or if you're seeing one sitting on the roof and then you're sliding down and then watching the guy who's coming from that way, that he's going there. We could go up, see he's sitting there, then you could follow him a little bit. And now I didn't have that long monopod. We're going down. Just to see the postman coming around the corner with some bills, probably. That's nothing we want to see. So this could be a cool, starting from the sky and down. You're coming down to the person on the swing. Down. We could go over here and see the one who is on the other side. So thank you for watching. Yeah, I have a lot of cameras here. Hey, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.